Now the next question has been given from the coordinate geometry. Let us see the assertion and reason. We are given that the value of y is 6, for which the distance between the points p2, -3 and q10, y is 10. That is, the distance between p and q is 10. And after simplifying this one, we will get the value as y. If the y is 6, the assertion is correct. Okay. If the value is 6, this assertion will be correct. So let us check whether this value is 6 or not. Right? That is assertion. Assertion is we are given that p2, -3 and q 10, y. Right? Distance between p and q is 10. So here the reason, what is given the reason? Distance between the two given 2 points a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 is ab is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Right? This is the distance formula. This reason is correct because if we want to find out the value of y, we have to use this formula alone. Right? This formula we have to use. So this formula is correct. Reason is correct. So let us check whether the assertion is correct or not. So what is PQ? PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Right? So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Right? Now substitute the value. That is equal to square root of, what is x2? 10 minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 10. So squaring on both sides, we will get 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 10 square. Squaring on both sides. So we can eliminate the square root. Then the left hand side we will get 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 10 square. Right? 10 square is 100. Now 64 plus y square plus 6y plus 9 minus 100 is equal to 0. Minus 100 is equal to 0. Now this equation will become y square plus 6y minus 27 is equal to 0. Okay, after simplifying this one, 64 plus 9 minus 100, that is equal to minus 27. Now that is product is equal to minus 27 and sum is equal to 6. Right? Sum is equal to 6. That is y plus 9 into 9 3s are 27. 9 minus 3 is 6. Right? So y plus 9 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. That is equal to y is equal to minus 9 and y is equal to 3. Right? So two values we are getting. That is minus 9 and 3. So now you see this assertion. What is given? The value of y is 6. But what is the answer? Actually, two answers are the y is equal to minus 9 and y is equal to 3. Two values are there for y. That is minus 9 and 3. Right? So the assertion is wrong. Assertion is wrong. But the reason is correct. Because we have used the distance formula, right? Distance formula we have used, that is AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Therefore, assertion is false, but reason is true. So the option D. Now this question is from the polynomial chapter. That is, we are given a polynomial p of x is equal to a k square plus 4 into x square plus 13x plus 4k. Right? We are given a polynomial and what is the condition given? 1, 0 the polynomial is reciprocal of other. That means alpha and beta are two zeros, right? So instead of beta we have to take 1 by alpha. 1, 0 is reciprocal to other. That means alpha and beta are the two zeros. Alpha and beta. Alpha and beta 2 zeros. So alpha and 1 by alpha. Because 1 is reciprocal of other. Alpha and 1 by alpha. Then these are the two roots. right? Then the product, that is alpha into 1 by alpha is equal to, product is C by A. That is, what is C? C is 4K, right? This is the A and this one is B and this is C. Coefficient of x square is A, coefficient of x is B, and the constant term is C, right? So alpha into 1 by alpha is C by A. All of you know that C by A. We are studying the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of the polynomial, right? So alpha into 1 by alpha is equal to 4K by K square plus 4. Now alpha get cancelled, that is 4K by K square plus 4 is equal to 1, right? So K square plus 4 is equal to 4K. Cross multiplication. K square plus 4 is equal to 4K. That is K square minus 4K plus 4 is equal to 0. Now how we can solve this equation and find K? That is K minus 2 whole square is K square minus 4K plus 4, right? K minus 2 whole square. That is equal to 0. K minus 2 is equal to, K minus 2 is equal to 0 because twice it is repeating. K minus 2 is equal to 0, K minus 2 is equal to 0. So the value of K is 2, right? Value of K is 2. So the assertion is true because value of K is 2. Assertion is true. Now we'll see the reason. What is the reason given? If all x minus a is a factor of p of x, then p of alpha is equal to 0. Actually, this is a factor theorem, right? Factor theorem which we have learned from 9th standard. If x minus alpha is a factor of p of x, p of alpha is equal to 0. This theorem is correct, reason is correct, but this reason is not the correct explanation of assertion E, right? So assertion is true, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion E. So which one will be the option? A is assertion A and reason R are true. And reason R is the correct explanation. No, reason R is not the correct explanation, right? Both assertion A and reason are true, but R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. So we can choose this option B. Option B is the answer. Now the next question is from quadratic equation, right? So one quadratic equation we are given, 2x square plus ax minus a square is equal to 0. And the reason is that for quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, x, that is quadratic formula we are given here, right? A quadratic formula is being given, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? So how to find out the value of x here? Since it is a quadratic equation, we will have two zeros, right? Two zeros, that is x, here it is given that minus a by 2 and a are two zeros. So the quadratic equation is 2x square plus ax minus a square is equal to 0, whereas a is equal to 2, b is equal to a, and c is equal to minus a square. Coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and the constant term is minus a square, right? Constant term is c, that is minus a square. So if you want to find out the values of x, we have to use the quadratic formula. That means we have to use this reason, right? Reason we are given that quadratic equation, for the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, x is equal to this one, right? X is this one. So we will use this formula, that is x is equal to minus b. Minus a minus b means it is a, that is minus a plus or minus root of b square. B square is this one, that is a square. B is equal to a, so a square, b square is a square. A square minus 4ac, 4 into a is equal to 2 into c, c is equal to minus a square. C is minus a square, that is upon 2a, 2 into 2, a is 2, so 2 2s are 4. That is equal to minus a plus or minus root of a square minus 4 into 2 into minus a square is a square plus 2 4s are 8. 8a square by 4. That is equal to minus a plus or minus root of 9a square by 4. That is equal to minus a plus or minus root of 9a square is 3a upon 4. That is equal to minus a plus 3a by 4 minus a minus 3a by 4. 3a by 4. Right? So the answer is minus a plus 3a is 2a by 4. 2a by 4 and minus 4a by 4. So 2 goes on 4 twice. Minus 4 and 4 cancel. So it will be a by 2 comma minus a. These are the roots. These are the roots. Minus a by 2 comma minus a. These are the roots. Now we'll check it. See here. So a by 2 and minus a by a is the answer, right? Both two answers are the minus a by 2 and minus a. But what is given in assertion? It is minus a by 2 comma a. These are the values of x. So this is wrong, right? This is not true, right? So assertion is false. Assertion is false, but reason R is true, right? This is the reason, because quadratic formula we are using for finding this x, right? So in order to find x, we must use this quadratic formula, right? So D, option D, that is assertion is false but reason is true. D is the answer.